This is the incline dumbbell press. It targets your upper chest for size and strength. Keep your elbows slightly out, control every rep, and squeeze at the top for maximum activation. This is the incline dumbbell fly. It stretches and isolates your upper chest for maximum definition. Keep a slight bend in your elbows, open wide. This is the incline dumbbell bench press. It targets your upper chest for strength and size. Keep your chest up, control the weights, and press smoothly for maximum muscle activation. A push-up with a resistance band is a basic exercise that engages multiple body joints. It is to be performed on the floor. This exercise engages the chest muscles, the triceps, the frontal deltoids, and the serratus anterior muscle. This is a functional variation of a push-up that engages a large number of muscles. The usage of the resistance band allows to create an additional load for the muscles. This exercise engages the chest muscles, the triceps, the deltoids, the serratus muscles, the thigh abductors, and the core muscles. This is an excellent exercise for the chest. The movement is similar to inclined dumbbell fly exercise. You can change the tilt of the trunk, thereby putting the load on different parts of the chest. Bar dips are a type of push-up to help develop the triceps, with the main load taken by the chest. When training with a free weight, you develop the musculature in combination, forcing all of your muscle groups to work. Push-ups are a basic exercise that involve multiple joints and are performed on the floor. The main muscles involved are the thoracic and tricep muscles, the anterior bundles of the deltoid muscles, forearms, the small muscles of the hand. Lower back muscles, abdominal muscles, and quadriceps are all indirectly loaded. The clapping push-up is one of the variations of a standard exercise that is aimed at developing explosive force. The main benefit of this exercise lies mainly in improving the strength and the speed. This exercise engages the chest muscles, the triceps, the serratus anterior muscles, and the anterior deltoids. Push-ups are a basic, multi-joint exercise performed on the floor. Push-ups help you efficiently work out your chest muscles and triceps while also increasing strength and endurance. This is a good exercise for developing the lower part of the pectoral muscles, allowing you to work with good amplitude and large weights. Spreading the arms with dumbbells to the side is one of the main isolation exercises for the pectoral muscles. This exercise gives the chest a steep, prominent shape and is also suitable for creating a distinct separation between the left and right large pectoral muscles. The change in the inclination of the bench allows you to focus the load, in this case on the upper part. This exercise is considerably more intense than the version with dumbbells, because the muscle tension here is maintained throughout the entire set. The load is focused on the lower and inner parts of the chest. The amplitude of this movement is wider than with the version where you spread the hands. Apart with dumbbells, in addition, the muscles of the joint capsule of the shoulder girdle are involved in the work. The dumbbell press down on the decline bench works out the lower part of the chest and the inner edge of the pectoral muscles. This exercise forms and increases the protrusion of the lower chest. The chest press in the simulator is a great way to work out the chest muscles. This exercise is very important for athletes who want to increase the amount of muscle mass they have in this area. Also, the press adds an attractive relief to the chest if it is performed in conjunction with other similar exercises. The main part of the load is on the smaller and greater pectoral muscles. The first one is responsible for moving the shoulder blades apart from each other and also allows you to bring your elbows together. The second one raises the elbows up and moves them ahead of the trunk. In addition, it brings the elbows together and back. The dumbbell pullover is an exercise that works out the back muscles. The main muscles involved are the rotator cuff and the latissimus dorsi. This movement effectively activates the intercostal muscles and helps to strengthen them. The dumbbell press on the flat bench is a basic exercise that allows you to strengthen the entire chest area and the top, middle, and bottom individually. It allows you to build up the mass and strength of the greater pectoral muscles. Spreading the arms while holding dumbbells is one of the main isolation exercises for the development of the pectoral muscles. This exercise gives the chest a prominent, steep shape and is also suitable for creating a distinct separation between the left and right large pectoral muscles. The lying flat chest fly is an isolated exercise for the chest muscles. The exercise is great to be performed at home as it does not require a bench. This exercise engages the following muscles: chest and frontal deltoid muscles, The chest press in a lying position is a great way to work out the chest muscles. It allows to work in the higher part of the amplitude, which enables to further improve the result of performing the chest press in a lying position. This exercise can be a great alternative to a chest bench press if you do not have a bench. This exercise engages the following muscles: frontal deltoids, triceps, and chest muscles. This exercise purposefully loads the upper chest and is used to achieve a distinct separation between the left and the right. Greater pectoral muscles, both the deltoid muscles and themselves. The main muscles involved are the greater pectoral muscles and the smaller pectoral muscles. Assistant muscles, anterior deltoid muscles, coracobrachial muscle, serratus anterior muscle. Adjusting the incline of the bench allows you to shift the load to another part of the chest and the front deltoid muscles. Bar dips are a vigorous exercise in which you need to lift the weight of your body while using the pectoral muscles, triceps, deltoids, and rhomboid muscles. A gravitron machine simulates push-ups with an adjustable pushing force. The bench press is a great way to work out the chest muscles. The main advantage of this exercise is its safety and the increased emphasis on the working muscles. The bulk of the load is on the minor and major pectoralis muscles. The deltoid muscles and the triceps act as auxiliary muscles. During the bench press, this is a basic free weight exercise commonly used in bodybuilding and powerlifting, designed to develop the chest muscles, arms, triceps, and the anterior bundle of the deltoid muscles. If you want to have a large pumped chest, then you simply cannot ignore the pullover. This exercise is very effective for the development of the pectoral muscles and for chest widening in general. This exercise is a variation of the popular basic bench press. It is aimed at the development of the pectoral muscles. In this case, the upper part, the deltoid muscles, and the triceps are also active.